So hello everyone. Now hope you are all doing fine and are in good health. Nowadays when knowing what is happening around you is very essential, reading newspaper has become must. Reading newspaper is kind of a ritual for many aspirant, even though in this busy lifestyle it is very hard to find time to read hard copy, but it is also a tedious process to go to every newspaper website and read the paper. But what if you get the daily newspaper on your telegram first thing in the morning? Wouldn't it be helpful? So today I will teach you how to build a daily newspaper sender. So to build this application, you need there are certain prerequisites that need to be fulfilled. So you must have a basic understanding of python. You must require these python packages and must have to install it, and then you need a telegram account for that. And also to deploy and schedule your script automatically, you need a hero. I use here as a heroku, so you need heroku account also. So first what you need to do is that you have to create a bot. And to create a bot, what you have to do, you have to visit to your telegram account, then you have to search bot further here. So you can search it on your telegram search bar. Then you have to click on star, so it will give you certain option, then you can select start. And then after selecting start, you have to click on new boot. Then it will ask you to give a user name and the name for the new boot. And I have given COVID vaccine alert and C alert boot, but you can give anything. And once it is available, you will receive this message from this bot, which gives you the token ID. And this token ID you have to use to go get your chat ID. So you have to visit this link here, and you have to replace the token part with your token ID. So for me, I have done it here. So this is here my chat ID, which you need to keep track of. So I will save it. And this is my code here, python code. Let's just analyze what I'm doing here. So this is where I am importing this library. So beautiful soap is to scrap the website, and request is to make requests, http request. So here, so let's go to main part of the program. So this is where I am using this chat ID and token ID. Why I am doing it in a list? Because I have done it for two user. You likewise you also can use multiple user and send to multiple telegram account at a time. So I'm just sending this token ID and ID to send messages. So let's go to send messages. What send messages is doing is that first it is downloading a link for the hindu and for times of india. So for now on, I am sending only for the hindu and the economics times. So so first let's go to link to download the hindu. So what it is doing, it is visiting to this website, and then it is scraping the link for the hindu. Another, and for economics time, we are visiting to the website, and then we are providing the link here. Now this is the code where magic happens. So this code send the notification to your telegram account. So this is what you have to use. Now you must be asking that why I am using send message in case of the hindu and send document in case of economics time. So the reason is that send hindu is giving me the google drive link. So and in case of economics time, it is giving me the pdf. So to send the message or text, you have to use send messages here, and to send document or any pdf image anything, you have to use send document. So this is I have done it. So now let me run this code here. So let's just wait for a minute to let the code run. So it is saying the hindu has been sent, and also now I think it is processing the hindu. So Let's meanwhile on basic try to understand the code here. So here what I am doing is to provide the basic understanding of the code. So let you can see the Hindu has been sent. So I have received this notification here. So you can see the Hindu link is been given, and also the economics times I have received. So it is also saying here in the code that ET has been sent. So all good. We have developed the code, and the Python script for sending our newspaper to our Telegram, because we just have received it. Now the main task is to deploy it and run it automatically. So for that part, I have you need to create an account on Heroku, and I am using Heroku. So let's go to this Heroku website. So let's go to this page. So when you create, I have already created and logged into my Heroku account. So when you create, you will see this dashboard. So you have to create a new app for your newspaper editor sender application. So I have already done that, which is here. Now to deploy your code, what you have to do, you have to go to the deploy tab. I have done it with GitHub. You can use other various option for that. So I have loaded my code into GitHub repository, which I am using to connect here to my GitHub repository, and then I am deploying my master branch to this part, this Heroku account. Now when you click on this deploy branch, your build has been once your build has been successful, your application is good to go. Now to test your application, you can go to this run console, and then click it. It will provide you the console to check and test your application and look into the file. So I'm just clicking ls. So you can see our file has been transferred here. Now we can test this file here, Python download py. So let's test it. So meanwhile it is running. Let me show you what is this requirement.txt here, and how what will should be the file structure for that. So what you need to do, you must need to put your Python file into one folder, and also you must have this requirement.txt where you provide basic packages that your application is required. So this is done. I think that is the file structure that you need to follow to deploy your website, your application to Heroku. So I think the code has been successful, and you can see like I just have received another two messages and the code for getting this newspaper. So this is all done. Now our application is running fine. Now the another task is to schedule our application to run daily. So for that part, you need to visit this resource tab. You need to click on this find add-ons, where you can find search for scheduler. So this is the scheduler here. So you have to select this Heroku scheduler, and which you have to add it. So let me visit it here. So you can click on install Heroku scheduler, and it will open it for you. Now you have to search for your niche web application. Now when you submit it, it will ask you to schedule. You can schedule your code from here. So I have already done that. So once you click on some submit forum, so it will open such link here. So now you can add a job here. So you can provide how many times in a day your job should run. It's either you should run once in a day or twice in a day. And also uh, you can provide the command which is should run each time. So I have given my python, it should run python download newspaper.py, and it should run uh, at this time. So according to this, it should run every day at 9 a.m. and IST. So that is done with the scheduler. Now so that is, so we are done with it. And as you can see, I have already tested it, and you can see like I have received a message at 9:30. Sorry, it my application is sending messages at 9:30 every day in the morning. So this is, you can see I have received at 9:30 this messages. So I think we are so guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any question, you have any debug. I will try to reach out to and help you. Hope this will be a super fun video with you guys. Hope you guys has enjoyed it. Thank you, and thank you very much, and be safe.